Hey, Tim Cray here, Expert Power Wash, Vancouver, Washington. I wanted to show you guys some oxidation that we're dealing with on a house wash that we're doing today. It's pretty important when you're going out to bid a job or before starting to wash a house to identify the oxidation, show the customer, just so they're aware. We're still washing this house today, but at least the customer knows what's going on with the siding and the oxidation problem. Let's take a look.
All right, here's an area of the house that we haven't cleaned yet. Hopefully you guys can see them white streaks that run down the house there. Them are the oxidized spots. So what that is, they're usually about every 16 inches or wherever the studs are behind the siding. The siding's nailed on, so them nails and the studs tend to heat up faster with the heat. And what that does with the heat, it tends to oxidize a little faster. So let me show you guys a closer look here, how we can identify some oxidation. Over here is a spot that I was showing the customer. This is the front. You see them spots? That stuff's not going to come out with a normal house wash, so you definitely want to identify. So let me show you here. So what you want to do is you want to run your finger on here, and if you rub it long enough, you can actually see the real color of the siding. So it's supposed to be that color. So you see that white chalky stuff? That's oxidation. There is treatments for this. But again, just the normal house wash is not going to get this stuff off. So you can kind of see right there, all around here. So the spots that didn't get the heat as much is obviously going to be the color that the siding is supposed to be. You kind of see it's all over on this house, and then up under there, it's not as bad because that spot was in the shade, not getting oxidized. So again, just a simple way to tell if your siding's oxidized, rub it, check your fingers. It's the finger test. If your fingers are chalky, then the siding is oxidized. So this is pretty bad here. So the customer just wanted the green stuff off the back of the house and the sides. So that's what we're out here doing today. We'll get this thing cleaned up, and you guys all have a great day.